use of drones poses a significant threat not only to trade passing through the Panama Canal, but also to the mainland of the United States. Envision this hypothetical scenario, where a naval confrontation erupts in the Red Sea between the United States and Iran. Something not very far-fetched. Suddenly, U.S. refineries in the Gulf of Mexico and U.S. ships in the Caribbean and those passing through the Panama Canal find themselves under drone attacks by unidentified actors. No markings and no clear signs of who it might have been. That's exactly what's been going on with the Houthis in Yemen for the past few years. First, back in 2019, unrecognized drones attacked refineries in Saudi Arabia, some 800 kilometers from the Yemen border. Now, more technologically advanced drones are capable of hitting not only static targets, but also moving ones. The 2023 drone attacks in the Red Sea demonstrate the drone's capability to hit moving civilian ships at significant distances. The Shahed 131, which is the smallest, has a reported range of 900 kilometers. This is also the most probable culprit of the 2019 attacks. And the last, but most capable, Shahed 136, which was also used by Russian forces in Ukraine, weighs about 200 kilograms at launching and can carry a 50-kilogram warhead. This also has the wider operational range at about 2,500 kilometers. The operational range puts the majority of the Caribbean's commercial sea lanes at risk of being hit. Caracas is in fact approximately 1,200 kilometers away from the Panama Canal, while Miami sits at a distance of 2,100 kilometers. This means that both the mainland of the United States and the Panama Canal are potentially within range of being targeted by such systems. The Caribbean also has a few choke points that force trade on a few determined routes. The Panama Canal-bounded ones, of course, but also the flow to and from the Gulf of Mexico. U.S. oil exports are mainly drilled and refined along the Gulf Coast. This means that oil tankers have to necessarily pass through two choke points north and south of Cuba. This is also a very new reliance for the United States. In 2001, oil-related exports only accounted for about 3%. 20 years later, in 2021, they became the first voice in the U.S. export book at 14% of total export value. Venezuela can also leverage another main factor: its influence over Cuba.